So in today's video, I'm going to be teaching you how to get nasty dirt off of your seats and how to get them looking like this again. So here's the few things you're going to need. You're going to need a microfiber towel. This isn't as abrasive as a sponge, but it's just textured. It's not sandpaper or anything, but it's just a little scrub pad. You can get another towel if it's necessary. You'll probably need another one. You'll get some, I'm using Dawn soap and hot water. And if you want a shiny finish at the end, I have Adam's Total Interior Cleaner to really wrap this all up. So without further ado, let's get to it. So we're gonna take our pad here, dip it in the water. Doesn't have to be that soapy. And you just wanna agitate, not crazy. Nothing, don't blow out your elbow trying to scrub it, but look at that. Just with some light scrubs, you just really work it out of there. As you can see, it's already looking great. So I'm gonna drop this back in there. I'm gonna grab my towel. And this isn't the full seat, you're gonna be doing this the entire seat, but just to demonstrate here. You can see it already looks like a completely different seat. And that was just what, 20 seconds of just light massaging. So I'm gonna go back over the whole seat and I will get back with you once I finish that. But first, let's do an entire look around the seats of how dirty they actually are. Not terrible, but definitely need some work. So I will be back once I do the whole seat. Okay, here's an update video. As you see, we got it nice and clean. I went over this about 3 times. It doesn't hurt to be extra attention to detail on this. Because as you see, this came out looking really sharp. When you compare it to the driver's seat, it looks completely different. So yeah, go over it about 3 times, and the next time I come around, I'm gonna show you what it looks like after I put the product on. So let's do it. And here's your after. It still looks a little bit rough, but considering I just used soap, I would say it looks pretty solid. Well, here's your before and after. Look at how nice that looks, and then come over there and look how dirty that is. So here's the end product, guys. As you see, nice and cleaned up, nice fresh interior look, all with just a little bit of dish soap.